20% of the housing units will be social houses. 50% will be affordable houses. That means the people who are who earn 20,000 and above, they will have a 50% chance to own houses in our affordable housing program. And 30% will be the people in the middle class or the people further up the ladder. So in this affordable housing program, there is a chance for every Kenyan. Those who want bigger houses will have an opportunity to get it. Those who want affordable houses will have an opportunity to get it. And those who want social houses will have an opportunity to get it. I want to commit to the student fraternity that under this program, we are going to have a serious rollout. It is already underway on student accommodation that's going to be affordable, decent, and is going to be revolutionary to make sure that our students have a place to stay. It is only fools who don't change their minds, or so it is said. I mean, we may have been in different political formations, but that is yesterday. Today is a day for us to come close ranks and do that which benefits the people of Kenya together. And having alternative opinion enriches our national conversation and brings out the best in all of us.